In this video, I want to show you how to use the automatic document feeder of your Brother MFC-L2900DW. So over here, you can scan multiple pages, up to 50 pages at the same time. And the good news is that this printer is also able to scan both sides of the paper without you having to flip the pages manually. So the first step is to connect your printer to the same Wi-Fi network as your smartphone. On the main control panel, if you don't see what I see right now, press the home button. You're going to tap on the Wi-Fi icon right over here. Right now there is a question mark simply because it's not connected to any Wi-Fi. So by tapping over here, I'll be able to select Find Wi-Fi Network, the first option. Wait a few seconds and it will search for all the networks that are currently around the printer. You'll be able to scroll up and down and find your network. Tap on it once you have found it, press OK, and now type the password of the network. You can use capital letters over here, or if your password has numbers, you can also do this. Same thing for symbols. Then press OK. Wait a few seconds, and you're going to get this confirmation message, connected, signifying that the printer is now connected to your Wi-Fi network. And then you need to find the Brother Mobile Connect app. There's multiple Brother apps for different printers, but this model is only compatible with the Brother Mobile Connect. And on the main menu, you're going to click on Scan. It will detect automatically where you have put your document. You can choose if you want to scan in color or black and white, the document size, and this is important. If you want to scan on both sides of the page automatically, you need to select flip on the long edge or flip on the short edge. This is what I will do. And then you have resolution, just leave it like this. Press the scan button and the process will begin. At the end, take a look at your screen. You're going to get all the pages on your display. As you see, the last one is blank. This is because I have selected to scan on both sides and the last page is only printed on one side. You can delete any pages by clicking the X button. You can add more pages if you want, or press the Done button. Here you can click this icon in case you want to crop. Okay, let's say you just want to keep the top one, whatever, or rotate your page. And before saving or sharing, I suggest you click the cogwheel. You'll be able to give this file a new name, something more relatable. So you can say, I don't know, my scan 67. Choose which kind of a file you wish to have, JPEG or PDF. And at the end, well, you have these two obvious choices: to save the file on your Android device, or to share it with your favorite contacts or in an app. Thanks for watching my video. If you found it useful, take a moment and comment down below. Subscribe. Check my Amazon links if you want to get some toner for this printer. I have put some links, also some paper, or even a brand new printer. Every time you purchase through my links, you support my channel, since I get a very small commission from Amazon and it helps going on. See you in the next video.